And she doing it again, y'all. This motherfucker is doing it again. Now look how hard she going on this bed thing, man. Oh wait. Hey, you want some of this? You want some of this Crown Royal? You want some of this? You look like you need some of this. Yeah, you do. You finna go get it again.
She's like, I can't breathe.
God damn, man. I ain't gonna stop recording till she get off this bed, cause I want to see her hump this motherfucker warm up. There she go, and there you go. Oh. Ooh, she made love to it first. Say, y'all are understanding she is going hella hard right now, man. Look at this, look. I need to get some fucking lessons from her. Yeah, you get it, bitch. Look, yeah. She said, I'm gonna give y'all money's worth. Oh, y'all gonna be on Facebook all morning on this shit. Look. Yeah, That's what. I ain't mad at all. Oh, shit. Oh, hold on. Oh, man. Y'all ain't understanding what I'm going through right now. God damn, man.